Ugh, another spelling mistake. And what does that say? Your latest work of literary genius is due at the printers tomorrow, but you've got a lot of editing to do. You can't find chapter 48, and you're running out of ink. Things certainly look bleak, and not just because of the gloomy candlelight in this house. If only there was a faster and easier way to edit documents. Well, there is. You don't have to suffer in these Dickensian conditions. You can use Google Docs to write, edit, and share your work. No need to race down to the printers with your handwritten parchments anymore either. You can share your document in a few clicks. Google Docs saves your work automatically, so no more mislaid chapters. And it's not just a tale of two cities. You can use it from anywhere in the world. Great, huh? Now you just need to learn how to use it. This collection will help you get started with Google Docs.